Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see, we will immediately have this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that for almost an hour I've been using it. Most of the time I've spent on the settings and the Play Store and the phone, etc. And you've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And if you want to, you've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap inside the graph, and here we will have the information, the dashboard of how much time you've spent on the screen in each day. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap on one of those apps, so for example the settings, and as you can see, again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, we can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.